again, and welcome to the VK6CS Fun with Amateur Radio channel, putting the fun back into amateur radio. Now, here's the amplifier. I still haven't fitted the input circuit or the tank components, but fitted the RF choke. There's actually about 3,000 volts on the anode there at the moment. I've just dropped the HT transformer in there. It's not bolted in, but it's just fudged in for a minute there. Or for a few minutes, because there's still other bits and pieces to do on this, and trying to turn this thing around with that HT transformer, it was just back breaking. So I'll take the HT transformer out, but there we go, that's 3,000 volt full scale deflection. I've got to put V times 100 on there. Zero grid current, as you would probably expect, and at the moment I've got what about 140 milliamps, 140 milliamps of anode current. So I'm just letting it run for a little while like that, just to make sure it's sort of happy. I need to just give this a bit of a tweak, because I think the anode current at idle is supposed to be 100, not 140. And the cathode voltage at the moment is 27.2 volts. So that needs to go up to probably 30 volts, maybe a little bit more. And that idling anode current needs to come down to about 100 milliamps. Now, I couldn't get the control that I wanted with that FET. I don't know if you recall, but I had a FET in series with the valve, and I was adjusting it with that, and it would either be 200 mils or 180 mils or zero. The thing just stopped conducting, so I just couldn't get the control with that. So I thought, okay, I'll go for a simpler, more traditional circuit. So I had an old power supply kicking around that had a couple of 2N3055s on a heatsink, so I just got a 2N3055 and just a couple of Zenas there from the collector to the base, sorting out the bias. So can't get much simpler than that, really. Well, I suppose you can. You could just have one stud Zena. In fact, I might actually go for that. I might just get a stud Zena. I need to first just find out what cathode voltage gives me the 100 milliamps anode current with that particular anode voltage, and see if I can get the stud Zena that will do the trick. And that's the simplest way around it, isn't it? And just forget the adjustable bias. I don't want to fit a bias board in it. I think I mentioned that before. I want to keep this absolutely a completely minimalist amplifier. So nothing in it that doesn't absolutely have to be there. So there's the RF choke. You see the HT feed comes in through there. The nylon grommet. It's 25 kV rated cable, insulation on that cable, by the way. And there's the HT decoupling capacitor, RF choke. I've just tacked it onto the anode of the valve, just so I can run it. It's been running, I don't know, for probably half an hour. And it's not been doing anything wildly exciting. That's about 150 and 150 milliamps there. About 3,000 volts. Zero grid current. Okay, well, I hope you found that interesting. I think I showed you the tuning capacitors. Tuning capacitors over there. They're going in it. The 500 puff on the right and the 1500 puff on the left. They were made by Capco. I actually bought those back in the UK back in the 80s, and supposedly they're the capacitors they put in their 3 kilowatt ATUs. So I don't think I'll have any trouble with those. Okay, well, as always, hope you found that interesting. Many thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.